Hello, my lovely people. See who you guys have here. It's me, Monica Ambrose, Monica Lobolobo, aka Shine Your Shine One of the universe, the Yeki one of social media. Yes, so the leader that lead and others follow. Una choice. Thank you all so much, my lovely people. This one our family channel. If you know you never subscribe, I bet make you subscribe, because this our family channel. Now place where you go they know everything about Yeke one of social media. Now place where you go they know me, Shine Your Shine. You go know, get to know about my husband, get to know about my 3 children, get to know about my marriage. Not just ordinary my marriage, you inside my marriage you get to know how we take the manage ourselves. They go where we get quarrel, where we get ups and down, the challenges where we they get with our children, how our life take the solve, they move jekele. You know, say one thing will be permanent for this life, now be changed. So with this our YouTube channel, family channel, you go really they see our change where because now only that one and be permanent for life. We sabi change. If you see where we day for January, not be there we can't day now. So everything they improve, they go. Thank you so much for all our old subscribers. May God richly bless you. Please don't stop. Introduce our channel to your friends, to your colleagues. Tell them about who is Monica Lobolobo, that they will find this channel very interesting. Very soon, this channel I go they bring more things out, but due to one thing, now the upload of this channel still they delay. Tonight, I want let you into me and my husband life small. Like my relationship, my marriage. I go show now some of the picture of when me and my husband be boyfriend and girlfriend, where he for toast me. I think I have the picture. And when we do marriage, our wedding, yeah, our church wedding, traditional wedding. Oh, I don't think I have a court wedding here. Oh, okay, but it's somewhere. But most people don't fair for social media, don't fair see my court certificates. Okay. Then I go come still show now. After marriage, the next wetin can happen and wetin can happen and wetin can happen. Why I want do this one? I want use and say encourage young and other people out there, other married or husband and wife people, or people where they do baby father, baby mom, mama now, where they find marriage like too expensive, too much commitment, they no want go into it. If you see my story today, I bet you will love marriage and you will want to give it a try. My family, me and Ambrose family, we be very simple family. We believe in God in every of our journey. That's why many things where people they put money for front, we they put God for front, because we not get money, but we get big God. So where people they use money, they answer, we go put God may answer for us. Now we take reach here where we do so. Make a let una in as we start to they go in. So I want to show the beautiful one where there is got to show the beautiful one. I think this one was 2003. Maybe this one a year before I started to live with her. I started to live with my husband for 2004, and this picture was taken 2003 when I did stay for Amsterdam for a bed camp. Then we for take this picture. 2 of us now be this one. This time we never born, we no get belle, we never marry. We just be boyfriend and girlfriend. I hope I show away. Okay. This picture will just be boyfriend and girlfriend. And I think that day we they go out when me and my husband Ambrose there for young boy and young girl. We really enjoy each other, most especially my husband. I really enjoy well because in a man we love me, when we dey young girl. Monica, you don't come love you now again. You know they too show me love again. The way that time, eh? Hey, God, that man love me. You see, as he carry me anywhere we go now, so he go they carry me for life. Even if share, two share they place, we don't need to share now. One share. As far as since sit down, me I don't dey on top of her. Even for inside bus or inside metro that time. Now so we they do each other they go. You understand? So I think for year. No, for year we don't they drive. For year my husband don't they drive for year. Because we they go out to somebody house party and we they go for year. Okay? So I'll come show now. Now you see as I find when I dey young girl, when I never born with the shop life, you'll see just now. The time where I come marry, may you see how things come be. Just stay tuned, may you they watch something. Make I for use that one to tell you and say, if you say me they not laugh you, they go cry you. Social media these days, you go see woman go say, he no want marry because he no want suffer. He no want marry because he no want come they manage. You understand? Many girls, many of my mates that time, they do wanna. They don't want marry because they say they don't want suffer. They want gather money. They want work money. They want do this. At the end of the day, to God be the glory. I know if we talk measure, but to let me tell you now, to God be the glory. You understand? So until now, many women still they do because of single mother money. He go say he no want marry a husband. Money go finish. They go cut him money. They go short him money. They go do like that. Me and my husband to see us. I felt tell una say many places where people they put money for from me and my husband and God we get. The time where we take decision, make we marry, move, stay together. We not get paper. Me, I not get paper. He be get paper. After some time, they can't take can. Later, they can't still give them back again. But even at that, we not start to tell ourselves, say, make we go they think of what our maid they do. We continue to put God first. And trust me, when you put God first in anything, not they ever leave you. I be living witness, me and my husband, now living witness of those who truly put their trust in the Lord. He will never put you to shame. But you have to trust him. He will never put you to shame, okay? This one I see my husband, when we never start to be, no, now we don't stay together. Now the year where we just start to stay together, now be this one, which is 2004. Now my husband be this one. I see and they do gayoyo that time. Okay. Hey, see picture where I see you. This picture. Oh my God. See money. This picture. You know that picture when you newly come abroad, where they take you. This picture. I know if we shall say I don't spend 2 weeks for abroad. I never spent 2 weeks for abroad. Where I take this picture, but all the same, me I thought say I felt there abroad though, because at least I don't come out for I spent 3 weeks for India, okay, before I can come abroad for years. So me I talk say I don't spend altogether 5 weeks for like outside the country. I can't shine that time. I wish I know for not put bleaching cream for my body. Because that time I too fine. This one, I think this one I don't reach a year plus for year. In short, I don't reach a year plus because I don't rent my house. Now house where I rent. Once we now woman house where I rent, that time in education be this one. So hey, una know that time now where that vadan for the rain, that scarf where we take the tie hair. Trust me, I get different color. Now maybe this, so my first house where I rent with my own money, the kitchen, I be that one. You understand? So my lovely people, life is good. I'll show you now some. This one are the first day where they go take me from airports, drive me come house. Now the cloth where I take come, where I take enter flight come be this one was big jeans, like all those buckle jeans where they get big pocket for year and year. I still remember, and I me take by myself buy am for city of Bombay for that their big shop, big shopping mall now for buy am with this thing was very beautiful. I love it. Now the way I take enter flight come, now be this one so. And so I take dress, enter flight, come with my luggage. So God be the glory. I be person wey like picture. Where give plenty. I like picture. My picture not they ever lost. Okay, my lovely people. This one now still when two of us. We just did they do boyfriend and girlfriend. My husband come carry me for Amsterdam. We can't go Zwolle because na there church day that time in a choir for church. In they play drum and in they sing. Una know na. So in like instrument where we don't say right from home. Now in they do with instrument because in all those university people will be scripture junior with the read Bible. All those people will be want to pastor. My husband maybe for be pastor. I mean, na me make her not be pastor. I don't know, not be me, oh, not be me, oh. Na ite by say no want be pastor, but be myself. I not ask God for pastors. My one husband we know God, we fear God, we are fear and joy. So this one I went to a fault just close for church. You see, and that time where we they use bag and shoe complete. You can see the shoe and the bag complete. I buy them from, you know, this lady now. Zion daughter for Facebook. Now no Zion daughter where they do bio teaching on how to use organic on your skin. Your mama now follow by him. This one who was doing birthday here, that is stability. Okay. This one I went one of my godmother like that do birthday. Me and my husband still dey boyfriend and girlfriend. She be after tell una say I don't fair be oyibo before. Before I marry, start to get belle. I fair be oyibo na can't be daki. Imagine me for year. Hey, Jesus. I fair white then. I pee my skin. No say me I not dey deny. I fair tell una say I be blushy. Hey God, I tune I can't be oyibo repete. Okay, I don't show now all those ones. All this one at the time where I don't born, so me I put them for side. This one are still boyfriend and girlfriend. This one are still boyfriend and girlfriend. When I come rent house for the other side, nice to be this one. Me and my husband see me, Sister Pimples. I dey shop, I dey eat. You want take picture? Now come put food for mouth like this. Sister Pimples. Now see the pimples. My pimples, It don't take. But I don't get them for Africa. Now since I just reach abroad. But since that time, pimples refuse to leave me alone. You see pimples, because I know makeup. You see the pimples with my black lips. I know they smoke. Oh, I know they agree to smoke, but now so my black lips just be okay, my people. So now it's time for me to show you guys my wedding picture. Ta-ra-ra, you know. So after all this time we had the talk just now, I think this was our last year, my last year in Amsterdam before I started to live with, going to stay with my husband. From there now, we can plan wedding, can't do marriage. This picture not be on our wedding day we take this picture, but this picture was taken a week before our wedding day because we need to use and take do calendar. So because that time as of 2005 where I do wedding, now so people wasted they do wedding, now so they take they do one cloth we on one wear for na wedding do now fair wear and use and take do calendar. When you can't check calendar for people, they'll come surprise. Now the same cloth we now wear now na take do calendar. So that kind of surprise. So this picture was used for our calendar. See, and now this one, this picture where they our wall so for our parlor. Now we use for our wedding invitation, our wedding invitation card. I not quick prepare for still bring that one. Do you know I still have my wedding invitation card? I still get out more all those type of details. I still keep them because of my children. Every now and then our children they always ask us how not to see what happen. So I just feel like to keep it for them. Now when they see they ask of and they might not know the value, but when they don't grow now they'll come know and where you know. So this picture where they were now we take do our wedding invitation card. Then this one now we take do our wedding calendar. This one. Then we take do our wedding calendar. Okay. Then this was our wedding. This now our cake. My chief bridesmaid, me, and my husband. This was our wedding. That time I don't get belle and I don't dark. Hey, you know when you feel be oyibo, you feel where don't bully all your body. Suddenly you start to get belle and all that. People say no use this, no use that. See the difference. I can't be darky. See on our wedding day. Maybe that one. This one our wedding album. Mona not ver the way it can look on our children, but I the manager they go like that. Now our wedding album be this. Me and my husband, pastors we marry us. Now the pastor be this. They bless our marriage on that day. When we you know, husband and wife now they must do Congo song on wedding day. I not can remember what they ask and sha. I be now they tell me something. I don't remember. See when we they sign. Yes, I do. You can't sign. We can't sign. Me they sign in the sign and our witness. They sign. See when we do. You may kiss your bride. Kiss your bride. Now DJ Faustina be our DJ. You may kiss your bride. Kiss your bride. Now sing for us. I don't feel for guy. I just they look. I don't know what he mean. See ya. Around but that don't want. Where feko? We are not kiss ya. What will they do for you? Okay, they lose ring. See my husband, they lose ring, then they pray, put them will come exchange them. You understand? See when the lady wants sit down, I never come, they never match me in. Come do it, come they pray. My husband can pray for that kind of all those type of planning way they do. You know? See my guests. Hey, my brother shower. I think they were 16, 8 at this side, 8 at this side. See there. There are plenty, yes, Sunday, yes, Sunday, yes. Thank you all so much. The people we do at that time, still they see some, I know they see some. See, I don't come inside. You may kiss your bride. Kiss your bride. See when they bless us. We need done that they bless us. See my belly. Okay. Some people call they still tell you now say, now so I born my children out of wedlock. It's not true. See us. I never born any pikin. See our wedding, so made the video for not too long, so I will just be fast about it. Look at me and all my guests and the children. When we want to cut the cake, I put them upside down. Me, my chief bridesmaid, and our best man. Now our best man, I do wedding for Italy that time. Where we go. So my husband and my godmother that time. You know what I mean? Okay. See me. Hey, black girl. Wanna leave me, oh. You make kiss your bride. Kiss your bride. You make kiss your bride. Okay now. So see the traditional one. We can't see enter. We can't go change. Ileluwade, ileluwade ne. Wagage muve o. Wagage muve o. Ileluwade. See the guests. See the buffets. See the guests. Me and my friends. You make it surprise when we don't change. So we don't change to other lists. Husband and wife. Oh Jesus, my don't spoil now. Okay. So after there, I call born. Oh, I'm not gonna see where now. Okay. After there, I call born. Ambrosia, now Ambrosia I carry. So meanwhile, I don't still get another belle again. Not be small to you. Belle. Under 4 years, I can't get 3 children. See, this one na Ambrosia. Meanwhile, I still get another belle for them. Now my first daughter now I carry so, and I get another belle which is J-boy for there. Then after that, see me, I can't get 2 children. I don't still get another belle. You see me? See me. That may be the I don't get Monica belle. Meanwhile, I see J-boy and Ambrosia. See there. See my J-boy, my J-puku. And I see there. Then I don't still get belle for the 3rd time. Belle. See me, oh, when I newly born Monica. Oh, this is Monica. See Monica. We resemble each other when I newly born them. Then later, the 3 of them can't grow up. Tarara! The 3 of them be this one. So for our olders. See them. See J-Bobo, see Amber, see money. So, my lovely people, you see, life is good. If I say make I can't show now, see me and my husband now, see this one now, it go surprise you. Say, now there fair be that, now there can't be this. Yes, now so life be. Life not to say because I can't black. When I dey born children, I know if I bring myself back again like this, arrange myself. Because our children small, because they're small like this, you know, come me say they no can't grow. Do you know these children will be like this today? Today they don't grow past us. All of 3 of them don't talk past us. And they tell you, even the small one, Monica, I can't talk past. You won't believe it. Look at us. Will you believe that these children will be like this? So, chocolate, they wear stockings. Look at them today. They are agbada, taller than us. That is how life is. It's good to build with love, my lovely people. Material things is not life. If I tell you, if you give me your word, I no go take. Give me this my word. These people are my word. And the story behind these 5 of us, it makes me and my husband to be who we are today. Proud husband and wife, proud father and mother. Please, my lovely people, where they watch this channel, I want to encourage you. There is nothing like when husband and wife love each other and work with one goal. Put God first. Don't worry. Money is good. I cannot tell you money is not good. But trust me, when you put God first, money is very sweet. When me and my husband start to go into all these old things where we do, we not get that money. We not get one kind money where we just save like no. We just enter like that in a student, in the work, join that they pay and student money. Now so we enter this journey where we did. After some time, me not get paper. After some time, he can't feed one, he can't give me paper. After some time, I can't start to the work. That's why I don't start to the support house. Ever since where I start to the work. Now so I take the support, now so you take the work, now so we take the support, now so we take the carry each other they go. I don't feel promise you now say one day I will let you now go more deeper into our life. But then I want to pass this level where I did, so I can't let you now see some kind deeper things for our life. I'm telling you, but not be we be this today. God is great and God is nice. My people, no always believe in already made. I'm not sure say if now already made, now I follow as man. My life go this sweet like this. I see one of my mate for social media. Now, her life won't start. Just because she don't want to start from nothing like me. Me, I started from nothing. But today, look at where I am. For children, God not to say because I don't get money, make my children don't grow. He not to say because my husband don't get money, make we don't love each other, make we not do things together, make our life not grow. Our life don't grow from where it used to be, to where it still they go. It never still finish because we get eyes. You see, 2 of our eye. My husband eye big, he make wolo. My eye big, he make boah. We get eye for big things. As you see also, we love quality life. Shebi you see how our life take the concept. See bag of picture. If I want show now picture, we no go see. Picture, now full inside. We love quality life. You see the way we take they enjoy our life, they come, But we not get money, but because we get love for one another, God can't help. We can't get God. God can't help us. We can't understand one another. We can't be considerate for one another. We can't get the same goal. We can't gather the build and they go. You understand? One thing where they tell my fellow women, how I take able to build my home rich like this? Supportive, submissive, being a good mother and a God-fearing wife. I love my husband well. My husband loves me more. My husband is a very gentle, loving, caring man. But that one not me say, you go come talk, say, that's why, you know, here and now, your husband, they care, they love it. Then you will not, they respect me. Now, so my husband be, sometimes they do things where me go, they wonder, say, which kind of man be this? But trust me, if you not get that kind of time for your marriage, then be so na not go ever strong. Me and my husband, we they still quarrel. But inside that our quarrel, we they find settlement and we they love ourselves and understand ourselves the more. And with that love where our children they see and understanding, now the city they grow, they go. If you and your husband quarrel, fighting, you not love your husband, you they hide things from you, they hide things from you. Your husband, the man, they carry the woman. It go they affect the home. Men, please. Try and be responsible. I'm not telling you, say, my husband just perfect finish, but you in your way, they try for your own best. I they tell you, for your own side, in they try, where. For my own side, now so me still they try. Together, two of us, because we get one goal. Say, we be family, we love each other, we supposed to be each other's keeper. That's why we know they fall each other hand. So, my brother, please, stop following your wife hand. Love your wife, care, understanding. Be patient. My husband a patient person. Otherwise, we know feed it because me na person wey be say I get temper. I can talk anyhow. It block. My husband know the way he take they understand me, take they bear me, and small me can know also say person wey they bear, wey love me like this. No go me and they abuse. You understand? Because say love me I just they do like that. I make me no, me can still understand. I can still mature. Why? Because he give me the room. He not just use one mistake. They throw away me, go carry another woman, abandon me and my children. No, he give me the room to grow. Husband, your wife don't get character like me. Give her room to grow. Please, you know, rich, make you go carry another woman for her side. You understand? So please, next time when I go come this our family channel, I'll come talk about how we take they do. You understand? I'll talk about how now in a very matured way, my lovely people. Thank you all so much. Not be only this YouTube we get. We get YouTube where they call MA Reality TV. If you type on, make you follow on. Now still place where it be say you go they see orishi. Where they show for them many things to take do things, to take get away, how to do business, how to take do things at home. I they do one for them. I also get another channel where they call Monica Lobo for YouTube channel. For YouTube, if you type and you still see and there, and they give message will be eye-opening message will be ogbonge for this social media. Not play with it. Message will go change your life. Now it be. I get Facebook, Big Man Wife Beauty Clinic. I also get another Facebook, Big Man Wife TV, also for Facebook. There, you can be my subscriber. As you support my platform, may God richly support you. To everyone that is supporting us in one way or the other, God bless you. Love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.